$8, 347 in 23 days. My ultra-long, form Minecraft advice channel blueprint, I made $8, 347 in 23 days uploading 4 Minecraft videos to YouTube. Not gameplay. Not tutorials. 3. Our relationship and life advice videos with Minecraft parkour in the background. And the longer the video, the more money I made per 1,000 views. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these ultra-long, form hopecore Minecraft advice videos, the specific AI prompts I use to generate 3-hour scripts, how to structure them so people actually watch, the free tools for visuals, and why this niche pays $40 plus RPMs when most YouTube channels get $3 to $8. This isn't passive income. You'll spend 6-8 hours per video. But if you can follow a process and you're willing to upload consistently for 30 days, this works. Step 1. Understanding why this works. Let me show you why this niche is different. This is my actual RPM, $43 per 1,000 views. Here's what's happening. The Minecraft audience skews young, but hopecore content, relationship advice, self-improvement, emotional support, attracts an older subset, ages 18-34, who actually have money and click on ads. Advertisers pay more for this demographic. Second reason, video length. A 3-hour video that keeps someone watching for even 45 minutes gives you more ad impressions than 10 short videos. YouTube favors long watch time sessions. And in this niche, people want background content while they study, work, or fall asleep. Third, competition is low because most creators think no one will watch a 3-hour video. They're wrong. My average view duration is 38 minutes. On a 3-hour video. That's insane retention for YouTube. Step 2. Niche selection within Minecraft hopecore. You can't just make Minecraft advice videos. You need a specific angle. Here are the sub-niches that work: relationship advice for young men, breakup recovery and moving on, friendship advice and social anxiety, life advice for people feeling lost or stuck, Stoic philosophy and mental toughness. I focused on relationship advice for young men because the search volume is massive and the audience is desperate for guidance. They'll watch for hours. Go to YouTube and type Minecraft advice and look at the autocomplete suggestions. Those are your sub-niches. Pick one for your first 10 videos. Don't scatter your topics or the algorithm won't know who to recommend you to. Step 3. Generating the 3+ hour script. This is where most people fail. You cannot just write me a 3-hour script about relationships into ChatGPT and expect something good. You'll get generic slop that sounds robotic. Here's my exact process. I use Claude AI, specifically the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model, because it handles long-form content better than GPT. It keeps context across a longer conversation and the tone stays consistent. First, I give Claude the framework. Here's the exact prompt I use. *, you are a compassionate life coach speaking directly to an 25-year-old man who's struggling with. Write a 3,000-word conversational script in the style of a late-night radio host, warm, honest, no fluff, no corporate speak. Cover these 5 points. Use personal stories, specific examples, and actionable advice. Write like you're talking to one person, not a crowd. * Claude spits out about 3,000 words. That's roughly 20 minutes of content when read aloud. Now here's the key. I do this 9-10 times with different angles on the same topic. For a video about how to be more confident with women, my sections might be 1. Why you feel anxious. 2. Body language basics. 3. Conversation starters that actually work. 4. Handling rejection without spiraling. 5. Building genuine confidence. 6. Common mistakes that kill attraction. 7. How to know if she's interested. 8. Moving from talking to dating 9. Long-term confidence building. Each section gets its own Claude prompt. This keeps the content fresh and prevents the AI from repeating itself. Then I paste all sections into one Google document. I read through and add transitions between sections, just a sentence or two like, now that we've covered body language, let's talk about what to actually say. Total time for scripting, 2-3 hours if you're focused. Step 4, voiceover. You need a voice that doesn't sound like a robot. I use 11 Labs. Here's why this matters for long form. If the voice is monotone or has weird pacing, people bail in 5 minutes. 11 Labs has voices with natural inflection and emotion. I use the Atom voice with the stability slider at 60% and clarity at 80%. Those settings give you variation without making it sound drunk. I break my script into 500-word chunks and generate each separately. Why? Because if you dump 27,000 words,